Let us solve problems based on theory of dilute solutions. Six gram of urea is dissolved in 18 gram of water. Calculate the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now in this problem, this is a problem based on the Raoult's law. Raoult's law states that the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of a solute. Relative lowering of vapor pressure is P naught minus P divided by P naught. This is equal to mole fraction of a solute. N2 divided by N1 plus N2. N2 is the number of moles of a solute. N1 plus N2 the total number of moles of solute and solvent. This is according to Raoult's law. Now we shall calculate N2 and N1. N2 is the number of moles of a solute, and to calculate the number of moles, the formula is number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Means mass of 1 mole. Now let us calculate the number of moles of urea. For urea is a solute, so N2 number of moles of solute is equal to mass of solute 6 gram divided by the molar mass of urea. Urea is NH2 CO NH2. There are 2 nitrogens, so 14 into 2 28, 1 carbon 12 and 1 oxygen 16, and there are NH2 CO NH2. There are 4 hydrogens, so 4 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 20 and 60. This is the molar mass of urea. 6 divided by 60, that is equal to 0.1. 0.1. This is for urea. And the number of moles of solvent for water. Water is a solvent here. For water, number of moles of water N1 is equal to 18 mass of water divided by the molar mass of water. Molar mass of water is 80. 18 by 18 is 1 mole. N2 is 1 mole, and this is N2 is 0.1 mole, and this is 1 mole. Now according to Raoult's law, The relative lowering of vapor pressure P naught minus P divided by P naught is equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2. N2 is 0.1 divided by N1 plus N2. N1 is 1 plus N2. N2 is 0.1. It is equal to 0.1 divided by 1.1. 0.1 upon 1.1 is 0.0909. This is the relative lowering of vapor pressure.